Alright, so let's continue to the last questions with the topic of periodic properties of elements. So the last properties is about electronegativities, yeah. Okay, so in these questions, the question is the electronegativities of the atoms are known to be F equals to 4.0, chlorine equals to 3.0, bromine 2.8, and iodine or I equals to 2.5. And then the question is the pair of elements with the strongest bond is, this is the option, from A to D. Alright, so let me explain about what is the function of electronegativities, in this context. So electronegativities is a values that has a beneficial to determine the pair of elements, how strongest the pair of elements. So if there are two elements or more, and then we would like to find how strong the bonds or the chemistry between two atoms or two elements. Now we can use electronegativities data. And then how we can find this? So the first step that you have to do is determine the difference of electronegativities, it is in pair elements. So this is the clue, okay. So we have to find the difference of electronegativities in each pair element, starting from option A, B, C, and D. So let's start with option A. In option A, there are two elements, namely iodine, and also Cl or chlorine. So you have to determine the difference of electronegativity. So the electronegativity of I and also Cl is, starting from the biggest one, the bigger. So the electronegativities of iodine is 2.5, and then in Cl there is 3.0. Which one is bigger? The bigger one is Cl. So we start from 3.0 and then subtract with 2.5, because 2.5 is the electronegativities of iodine. So 3.0 subtract with 2.5 equals to 0.5. This is the electronegativity of I and also Cl. Let's continue with the next option. So the electronegativity of iodine and also bromine is, the electronegativities of bromine is 2.8, and then iodine is 2.5. So we can start from 2.8 first and then subtract with 2.5. So then the electronegativity is 0.3. Okay, let's move to the next option, F and Cl. So the electronegativity of fluorine and chlorine equals to 4.0 subtract with 3.0 equals 1.0. The last one is F and also F. Now, because it comes from the same elements, so every elements that has the same elements and then have to bond together, that will have a bad bond, or the weak bond, because the electronegativities, the difference of electronegativities of F and also F, is 4.0 subtract with 4.0 equals to 0. So based on this data, the difference of electronegativities in pair elements, we can say that the biggest electronegativity is in part C. That means that these bonds are the strongest bonds. So the bigger electronegativities, or the bigger difference of electronegativities in pair elements, so they have the stronger bond. And conversely, in contrast, the smallest electronegativities indicates the weakest bond. Okay, so I think this is the concept for electronegativities. Jadi intinya, semakin besar selisih elektronegativitas dari pasangan suatu unsur, maka ikatan yang terbentuk itu akan semakin kuat. Dan sebaliknya, jika selisihnya semakin kecil atau bahkan sama dengan 0, maka itu akan menghasilkan ikatan yang sangat lemah. Seperti itu. Jadi ibarat kata ketika ada dua pasangan, mau dinilai chemistry-nya, seberapa langgeng hubungan suatu pasangan itu dilihat dari datanya gitu. Jadi semakin banyak hal yang bisa menguatkan hubungan tersebut, maka hubungannya bisa semakin kuat. Tapi kalau tidak mengenal satu sama lain, artinya nilainya sama dengan 0 gitu. Kalau tidak ada upaya untuk bisa bonding sama satu sama lain, maka ikatannya atau chemistry-nya juga semakin lemah. Jadi ibaratnya seperti itu kalau mau memahami tentang sifat elektronegativitas suatu unsur. Okay, I think that's all for number 6 in periodic properties of elements. So we have to move to the next topic named stoichiometry in stoichiometry. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.